Hi, good morning. I am Shamil Jayalath and I am the marketing manager of Seat Sri Lanka Private Limited, which is the one of the large scale tire manufacturing organization in Sri Lanka. Today we are going to evaluate our products and our services with yourself, and we warmly welcome your valuable ideas and thoughts. Actually, we want to improve our products and services qualities according to the changing market environment, and for that we decided to conduct qualitative research like this. Once again, I request from you to give your valuable comments regarding to our products and services. So tell me about yourself and tell me some ideas have in your mind regarding to the tires.
Yes, I am Misuru Gunatunga and I am the Chief Electrical and PLC Engineer at ABC Private Limited. When talking about the tires, mainly we expect tires should have 100% safety precautions, because all the things are depending on this. Most important thing is people safety. Therefore, the organization should assure this, and each and every tire should have assurance as expected by customer.
Yes, wonderful thoughts. And again, I am really agree with you. Can you please tell me, do you have a vehicle and what is the brand you currently choosing when you purchasing your tires?
Yes, Shamil, of course. I have a vehicle since 2017 and it is a Honda Vessel. The required tire size is 225 50R 18. Currently, I am choosing your brand Seat because of its durability. Earlier, I put one Chinese brand to my vehicle and it showed low durability, and due to that, I faced lot of difficulties. Most of the time, tires got punched and that given me lot of time wasting.
Okay. What do you think about the tire availability in the market? And these days, due to the COVID-19 pandemic issue, tire scarcity is there. Lot of imported brands banned by the government, and the local manufacturers are in trouble when catering the requirement.
Yes, of course, Shamil. That is really good question. As the customer's point of view, I must tell you this. If customer has the ability to purchase required tires, there should be a mechanism which implemented by the manufacturer to purchase the requirement by the customer without any searching and time wasting. I expect all products and services in one place, because time is the most important thing to me, Shamil.
Yes, well, have you any idea regarding to the price of the product of your choice?
Yes, price of the product should be reasonable. It should be belong to the durability. If manufacturer are catering our expectations, then the price of the product should be in the margin, which is not to be a loss for both manufacturer and the customer. As my feel, this is the most important fact to maintain the market balance.
Yes, definitely. I think you have wonderful thoughts. So finally, I would like to know from your point of view, did the Seat fulfill customer, I mean your needs and expectations?
Yeah, why not? I am fully satisfied with your brand, and one more thing I must raise. Please market your brand when doing product improvements and developments, because customers should know about your improvements and what are the manufacturer has done for their customers. Other than that, your everything's are okay.
Yes, thank you very much, Isuru, for giving your valuable time for me to conduct this, and we will consider every noted points in future. Once again, I am thanking to you on behalf of our organization. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Shamil.